All right, it's Tuesday, April 18th. Just getting to the market. Uh, London session. At the end of London session, it's pre-New York right now. 7:50 a.m. As you can see on the DXY, the move that happened yesterday off this demand, it corrected all the way on the DXY. Now it look like it's bouncing off a 5-minute demand at the moment. Made a higher high, higher low, well, a double bottom. It's looking like it's gonna make a double top or come up to this range and make a higher high off that. We don't know. We just got into the market. We'll go ahead and do our top-down analysis and see what's going on in the market today. Still the middle of the month. What happened yesterday? All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the top-down analysis, starting from the monthly, and we're gonna see if we can get an entry today. We're on a monthly chart. As you can see, the monthly started up here, made a little top wick, and dropped all the way down to the bottom of this range, where it found support yesterday, and then starting to come back up into this small little range. So on a monthly, we're looking very bearish. If it can break through here and start coming down into these areas today, it could be looking like it's doing that. I don't see it going up and breaking these monthly highs today. I just don't see it. But we're going to see what's going on. That's the monthly chart. I'm going to go down to the weekly. You can see on the weekly, we started at the bottom of this range, came up, tapped into this daily supply the previous week at the top of this supply right here. Looked like it came up and tapped and is ready to drop. If it go below this resistance right here on the weekly, it could be coming down here to retest this range and continue even further. So that's the weekly. Look like it made a top wick this week. Let's see if it can drop for the rest of the week. All right, so we down to the daily chart right now. It looked like the daily, it started shooting down from the start of the day. So barely made a top wick, messed around in this daily supply for a little bit. Now it's dropping. These could be the daily highs that's protected, previous day's highs. We can get a pullback and then drop more in this area, maybe to fill out that wick that was on the weekly. So if it dropped below this daily, if it dropped below this daily, we could be looking for entries for it to continue down to the bottom of this range or into this 1 hour demand. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen on the daily. That's the daily. We're gonna go continue to do our top-down analysis. Now we're going down some more. We're on a 4 hour. Maybe we can see some new supply and demands that formed right now. We are in a 4 hour supply. We're not even gonna say that's a demand right here. It just barely tapped this 1 hour demand right now. Look like it's retracing. If it can, we can get in on this cup actually. This could be the trade of the day and target this demand right here. They probably have to come up here a little bit more, but as you can see, we're in this range. We didn't get through this range yet. Last time it broke below and stopped, it came and finished the range. Finished the range right here. Last time it broke below, it finished this range. Last time it just bust through the range. So sitting here on the 4 hour, we still got some fair value gaps to the downside. Kind of in the 4 hour demand, but not really because it got mitigated. Didn't touch this 1 hour. Didn't touch this 1 hour demand yet, and this really is the daily low. So if it break through this, it's a very good chance that it's going to come down into this range and finish this range. That's the 4 hour right now. We go continue to do our top down analysis and try to find an entry. Now we down to the 1 hour chart on the DXY. All right, we see what happened in the Asian session. Yesterday came up, made new highs, dropped, made a lower high right here, broke structure, dropped, came all the way down to this 1 hour. We actually this is kind of a weird 1 hour supply right by a gap. This was high probability to tap here, honestly. So honestly, we're in a 1 hour demand at the moment as we speak. We just now seeing that because that wasn't showing on the higher time frame. So right now on a 1 hour, we're sitting in the demand, gaps above. We got another 1 hour supply up here. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this golden zone from yesterday out for the full push. And if you know about the fibs, you can see from this push, it completed almost 100% from this push. This is the swing bottom right here. So we're about 78%. The likelihood of this coming up and breaking new highs is very low right now. It might come up into these areas, but it's looking like it's going to be dropping for the rest of the day. So we go see what's going to happen. We just go wait, follow price action, and try to find an entry.